Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about Mog Coin again. Yes, another update. And if you're watching this, you either already hold some Mog tokens or you're thinking about getting in. Either way, this is something you don't want to miss. Let's get right into it. You already know if you follow our channel, we've talked about Mog Coin before. We even bought some. But today's update is something surprising and honestly pretty exciting. Something is brewing in the world of Mog, and it might just shock you. Let's talk numbers. Right now, Mog Coin is priced at $0.0000124. That's 5 zeros after the decimal. The big question is, can Mog start removing some of those zeros in the future? Over the past 30 days, Mog Coin has grown over 100%. In just the last 7 days, it's up around 20%. And today alone, it's pumped 7%. That's not just random movement, that's serious momentum. Its market cap is sitting at around $485 million, still way below where Peppercoin is. That leaves a lot of room for growth. The total and circulating supply is the same, 390 trillion tokens, and its all-time high, 0.000042. That's 0.5042. Currently, Mog Coin is ranked 126 on CoinMarketCap. That's decent, not bad at all, considering it's still gaining traction. Now, the big question, can Mog hit $1 someday? Honestly, based on the chart, it's clear the next bull run could push Mog past its all-time high. Every time the market has pumped, Mog has set a new top. So yes, it's possible that Mog does it again in the next bull cycle. If I get any more updates about Mog, I'll share them right here. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and drop a comment telling us how many Mog coins you're holding right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.